Hey everyone, now let's talk about text replace live component. It's pretty useful because it will let you, as the name says, replace the text, but not only that. And the replacement is based on the URL. So the parameter that you pass, basically the value of this parameter, whatever you say here, will be displayed in here instead of the text in bold. But also it will hide the component until you provide the URL. So let me show you how it works. Let me go to this empty page and use our component. I'm going to Command E, search for LC text replace. And now when I publish, you're going to see that this particular element is hidden. So it's empty, nothing in here. And it's empty because I need to pass parameter at the end, and the parameter is rep by default. So rep stands for replace. And then let's go with hello. Okay. And there you have it. Hello is here. So also, you have this part of the text appeared right now because everything will be hidden unless I provide the parameter. This is how it works. If you, let's unlink this component, you can easily unlink the instance and see what happens here. So here you have the data sysflow query rep, and that's the name of the parameter. If you want to change it to whatever you want, you can do it, and then you have to pass this exact phrase as a parameter. Then you have data sysflow query default, and it's set to 0. Now, if you'd like this element to appear no matter what, even without this parameter passed, now it's not appearing, but you can do it if instead of value 0, you're going to pass something here when I save it and publish. Let's preview this page once again, and you can see that the default text is here, and also everything is visible. So you can use this component to easily hide and show elements when requested. And also, if you change the text with rep and you're going to say 12123, you'll see that this is actually exchanged. So that can be your title, that can be anything that you put on the side. So it can be visible or not, depending on this data sysflow query default. If you put the default, like Anna, and then you want to replace it, like let's say you're sending email campaigns and you want to replace the name with the name of the person who actually clicks in the button of the email, you can pass this name from your email client to as a parameter rep, and that would be exchanged in, let's say, your header. Let me show you something else. For example, if you search for alert, you're gonna find, let's say, info alert, and I'd like to just unlink the instance, this element, and I want to put this alert info in our text replace component. So everything is in the text replace component. In the alert box, I'm just gonna, this text, I'm gonna delete it, and this text I'm gonna put in here, and maybe, oh yeah, here, let's delete the alert content, and here you have, this text will be replaced, right? But everything is wrapped into this LC text replace, which has data sysflow query rep, for example. We can change it to, let's say, ref if we want. Let's save it. Now let's add another text box. I'm going to just copy and paste that one, and maybe another one. Command V. I'm going to delete this sysflow query because we don't want this to be replaced. We want this to just be a static text. At the beginning, we'll say hello from somewhere. Okay. And then we're gonna say you can use promo code something, yay, okay? And now, once we publish that, we can preview the published site, and it's empty because we don't have any default. We just set the default to 0. That's why everything is hidden inside of this container. But once we add ref, like Product Hunt does, Product Hunt, then we'll have hello from Product Hunt. You can use promo code, yay. And we can put whatever we want in here. So we can go with system flow, and yeah, we can provide the URL like this, and that would be automatically shown, like everything in here. And also we have this personalized element that would be just replaced with our ref parameter. So there's many creative use cases that you can work with. For example, if you use UTMs in your ads, you can basically pass some information from the ad to the website and maybe display the name of the company of the person who clicks the ad, or maybe the name of the product, or reorganize the text or reorganize the content depending on which ad is clicked or maybe who visits your website. I mentioned about sending the name of the person from the email. You can easily do it from email software. You can basically use parameters on your buttons in emails to pass things that you have as custom attributes for the people on your list, for example, name, surname, company, and then you can replace the name of the person in a huge header on your website or something like that. So this makes it more personal and can be pretty funny. So yeah, that's all about this live component. Have fun using it and see you in the next lesson.